Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. My name is Corinne. I am your host for today's lesson. If you can't tell, I have dressed up warm and gone somewhere very cold for today's lesson because we are going to be making snow. But let's first play Spot the Quapple. I will put 30 seconds on the clock and we'll just go ahead and see who can find our Quapple. That is the Quest Integration Education logo. It's the apple with the Q in it. Are you able to find it in this picture? If you do, tell us in the comments. I'd love to see who finds it first. Let me know who's watching too. 10 seconds left. Who can find the Quapple? 5 seconds. Did anyone find it? All right, here it is. Did you see it down there at the bottom of the snowman scarf? If you did, good job. If you didn't, better luck tomorrow. We'll play the same game. Just make sure you're here right at 9:30 so you can play because it happens really fast. So today we are going to be making our own snow. And here is what you are going to need. It's pretty simple. The ingredients to snow are baking soda, conditioner, and as a bonus, we're going to use vinegar because we want to make our snow melt. Oh, Mallory, the Hilliard kids, has found the Quapple. So there's two things that happen when you mix that baking soda and vinegar, which you'll see later. There is an acid-base reaction and a decomposition reaction. When the vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, the ions in both make two new chemicals, carbonic acid and sodium acetate. That carbonic acid immediately begins to decompose, which is the second reaction, into water and carbon dioxide gas, or the melting of your snow. And just like when you shake your soda bottle, the carbonic acid rises to the top of the mixture, creating the bubbles you'll see when we melt my snowman. But first, we have to make our snow before we can melt it. So I have my baking soda already in my bowl over here. You're going to need about 3 cups of that and about a half cup of conditioner. I put mine in a little sweater mug. If you don't like your hands getting very sticky, you'll want to mix this up with spoons first because it's pretty wet because that conditioner is wet. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to mix this up with my spoon. And we're going to try and make the perfect crumbly mixture. If it's too wet, you'll want to add more baking soda. And if it's too dry, you'll need to add more conditioner. Your parents will be able to help you get the perfect type. But you'll want it to be this crumbly mixture. Mine's a little too wet right now, so I might have to add some more baking soda. But you'll be able to mold it just like snow and make a snowman. So when you have that perfect mixture, you can put it on a flat sheet like this because it's much easier to play with. Earlier, I made this adorable snowman. Haven't given him a name. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. But we are going to melt him, so don't get too attached. Here is my vinegar in my cup. So I'm just going to add a few drops of vinegar to my little snowman here. Oh, he's bubbling. Oh no, he's melting. He actually melted kind of from the inside out. Oh my goodness. This is good that these bubbles are contained on this sheet. He's going down. If you see this closely, I can take a picture and post it later, but he kind of has crevices in him now from where the baking soda has come out. Pretty cool. Oh, the Hilliards say his name is Simon. Sorry, Simon. I'll build you back up after the video is over. So I will post the instructions to this so you can make your own snowman or Simons after this is over. Send us your snowman pictures before you melt them, and we'd love to see those. And join us tomorrow so I can tell you what happened to my soap up here. Something happened to this soap, and it's pretty cool. Until next time, though, continue onward in your quest for knowledge, and thank you for watching.